video, I'm here to show you guys how I create my freckles, my false freckles. And a lot of you asked me how I do them, and today is the day. Today is the day. So, first of all, before I start to explain what happens next, give me a thumbs up, it's really important. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. It's the social media that I most use in my life. So yeah, come with me. So now let's start with this tutorial. So today I'm not going to use any pomade, any cream product. I'm going to use just one palette. Use what you have, angels. And today I'm going to use this palette, Sweet Peach by Naked Heat, by Too Faced. And this palette is really versatile because it has the color that I usually used in the past on my eyebrows, and the color is this one. It's charmed, I'm sure, and I just loved how it suits me, and I'm going to use it on my freckles. So what I wanted to tell you with this is use the color that you usually use on your eyebrows, use it on your freckles. And I'm going to use just one brush today. I'm going to use this one. Very tiny one. This is more usable for eyeliners and for brows as well, and I'm going to use it today. So what I'm going to use, what I'm going to do, it's more like that. What I'm going to do you see this part right here? This pointy part right here? It's what we're going to use today. So it's very simple, but it's what I do and what I love and what really suits me. But if you don't have this palette, please use what you have, okay? It's really important that don't buy this palette just for do your freckles, and use what you have. If you have pomade, highbrow pomade or by Anastasia Beverly Hills, or if you have another eyeshadow that you like to use it with this pencil, okay? So, it's very simple. You're just going to pack just a little, oh, it's right here, just a little bit with the pointy part in the shadow. It's really simple. And now, let me just, and now what we're going to do, we're going to just do like this. And now, with your fingers, smudge it up, okay? I'm going to just don't be afraid if your freckles get a little messy, because it's what it meant to be, right? And right here now, my God, I just love this technique. I learned by myself. I didn't learn with anyone, but I just love this technique so much. It's what really suits me. So just do that Severus Snape kind of smile and do your freckles. If you want to have a lot of freckles, false freckles, just draw them a lot and then just smudge it up on the nose as well. It's how I do, angels. Don't forget to blend in, okay? If you have a beauty blender or any kind of sponge, you can use it to blend in too. But if you don't, use your fingers like I'm doing. And it's more practical for daily routine, right? We're not going to use any sponge for daily routine, right? We're going to use what we have, and we have fingers, so we use fingers. So I like a lot of freckles, so it's nice. I'm going to just, my god, I love them so much. My god, they look so cute. God, I love them so much. Just let me, with less light. I love them so much. So, babes, this is the final look. This is the final result. I really hope you guys like this video, like my freckles, and I really hope you start doing this, and because freckles is really in nowadays. So, and even if they haven't, so I love them so much. And yeah, that's it. I really hope you guys like my freckle tutorial, and if you do, please rate the video positively. It's really important for me to know. And give me suggestions of videos down below in the comments, and subscribe my channel is very important too. And visit my blog as well. I'm not so active there, but I will be. And on my Instagram as well. I'm there all my life. So I'll see you next video. Bye.